One of my colleagues asked me how to insert Outlook signature quickly in Microsoft Outlook email. So there are two methods. You can use keyboard shortcut, which is Alt H AS. That will open your Outlook signature Dropbox, and you can simply hit enter and insert your signature. And the other method is you can add the signature in the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is a area where you can add few options which will always available for you on the top left corner of your screen. Even if you are using any ribbon, that quick access toolbar is always instant. So you can add your signature to the quick access toolbar, and that will help you to insert the signature in just a click. So simply go to the message. In the include section, there is an option signature. You have to click right mouse button and you will get few options here. The first option is add to quick access toolbar. You can simply select this option and you will see the signature is added in the quick access toolbar. Now to insert your signature, all you have to do is to simply go to that signature option here, select the signature, and boom, in just 2 clicks you can very easily add your signature in your new email. You can also use your keyboard shortcut, which is Alt, and you will see a numeric value which is 6 hovering over my signature icon. Maybe in your case the numeric value will be changed according to the arrangement of quick access toolbar. When I click 6, see again the options appears for me. That way you can very easily insert your signature in quick access toolbar. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have